Welcome to Omasae, where timeless outdoor living, rustic craftsmanship, and beautiful garden inspiration come together to transform everyday spaces into peaceful retreats filled with warmth, natural texture, and seasonal charm. In today's video, we're exploring a collection of rustic small backyard garden decor ideas for summer that prove even the most compact outdoor spaces can become inviting landscapes rich in character, creativity, and lasting beauty. From handcrafted wooden benches surrounded by colorful cottage flowers to vintage watering can planters, weathered barrels overflowing with fragrant herbs, reclaimed wood shelving, natural stone seating corners, handmade twig trellises, rustic birdhouses, and softly glowing lantern displays, each idea celebrates the beauty of simple materials thoughtfully arranged with care. Throughout this collection, you'll discover how reclaimed wood, aged metal, terracotta, gravel, flowering vines, lush greenery, and seasonal blooms work together to create layered outdoor spaces that feel peaceful, welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. Every weathered surface tells a story, while every carefully placed flower and rustic accent helps create a backyard that feels established, personal, and deeply connected to nature. Whether you're decorating a cozy cottage garden, refreshing a small patio, or adding character to a quiet backyard retreat, these inspiring ideas offer practical ways to maximize beauty without requiring a large space. Soft summer sunlight, natural textures, and handcrafted details combine to create an atmosphere that encourages relaxation, quiet moments, and everyday enjoyment outdoors. As we begin this inspiring garden journey together, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Omasae for more rustic garden inspiration, and share your favorite backyard decorating idea in the comments below. A cozy seating corner built with natural stone and gravel offers a quiet retreat where rustic materials create an atmosphere of comfort and effortless elegance. Large natural stones define the space, while fine gravel forms a relaxed surface that blends seamlessly into surrounding flower beds and garden borders. Terracotta pots filled with lavender, geraniums, ornamental grasses, and seasonal flowers introduce warmth, color, and texture while softening the sturdy stone elements. Gentle sunlight highlights the earthy tones of the gravel, clay, and stone, creating subtle variations that make the compact backyard feel larger and more inviting. Together, the carefully layered materials create a peaceful outdoor nook that celebrates timeless garden design and relaxed summer living. A handmade twig trellis crafted from naturally fallen branches adds height, structure, and handcrafted charm while providing the perfect support for colorful climbing flowers. Sweet peas, morning glories, clematis, climbing nasturtiums, and flowering vines weave gracefully through the rustic framework, creating a living wall filled with movement, fragrance, and vibrant seasonal color. The irregular shapes and weathered textures of the branches preserve their natural beauty while blending effortlessly into the surrounding cottage garden. Soft summer sunlight filters through the flowers and foliage, casting delicate shadows that shift gently across nearby pathways and planting beds throughout the day. Together, the woven branches and flourishing blooms create a beautiful vertical feature that brings rustic elegance into even the smallest backyard. Vintage lanterns suspended from sturdy tree branches introduce warmth and magical ambience, while becoming beautiful decorative accents throughout the garden. During daylight, their weathered metal finishes and aged glass complement surrounding flowers, reclaimed wood, and natural textures, while evening transforms them into softly glowing features that illuminate nearby pathways and seating areas. Hanging at different heights, the lanterns create visual rhythm without overwhelming the compact garden, allowing every corner to feel thoughtfully designed and inviting. Flowering shrubs, ferns, and climbing vines gently frame the display, reinforcing the peaceful atmosphere created by natural materials and warm lighting. Together, the lanterns and surrounding greenery create a timeless outdoor setting where summer evenings become even more relaxing and memorable. A rustic wooden bench tucked among colorful cottage flowers creates a peaceful destination where the beauty of summer can be enjoyed in comfort and quiet reflection. Built from weathered reclaimed timber, the bench blends naturally into its surroundings, while soft plantings of daisies, lavender, foxgloves, salvia, and roses gently frame the seating area with vibrant color and fragrance. Ornamental grasses sway lightly in the breeze, while climbing vines and flowering shrubs provide additional texture that makes the small backyard feel lush and welcoming, without appearing crowded. Morning sunlight filters through nearby trees, illuminating the rich grain of the wood and highlighting every bloom with a warm golden glow that changes beautifully throughout the day. Together, the handcrafted bench and flourishing flowers create an intimate retreat that celebrates rustic simplicity and timeless cottage garden charm. Vintage watering cans find new life as charming planters that introduce nostalgic character and vibrant seasonal color into a rustic backyard garden. Their naturally aged metal surfaces contrast beautifully with overflowing petunias, calibrachoa, lobelia, verbena, and trailing ivy, creating lively displays that instantly draw the eye while preserving the history of each well-loved container. Positioned on old wooden crates, brick steps, or nestled among flower beds, the watering cans become decorative accents that add personality without requiring much space. Soft afternoon sunlight reflects gently from the weathered metal, while emphasizing the vivid colors of the flowers spilling over the edges in every direction. Together, the vintage containers and cheerful blooms create a delightful garden feature that perfectly balances rustic authenticity with creative summer decorating. A weathered wooden barrel transformed into a fragrant herb planter becomes both a practical growing space and a beautiful rustic focal point within a small backyard. The aged timber staves and rusted metal bands provide rich texture that pairs naturally with aromatic lavender, rosemary, thyme, sage, oregano, and other herbs flourishing together in layered arrangements. Bees and butterflies visit the blossoms throughout the day, bringing gentle movement and life while reinforcing the garden's connection with nature. Warm summer sunshine highlights the deep grain of the barrel and the soft purple blooms, creating an inviting display that fills the surrounding air with fresh herbal fragrance. Together, the reclaimed barrel and thriving herbs celebrate sustainable gardening while adding warmth, beauty, and timeless countryside appeal. A collection of handcrafted birdhouses mounted on reclaimed wooden posts introduces vertical interest while welcoming birds that bring movement and cheerful song into the summer garden. Every birdhouse displays unique rustic details, including weathered wood, natural bark accents, and aged finishes that blend seamlessly into the surrounding flowers and greenery. Native plants, ornamental grasses, and flowering perennials create a natural habitat that encourages birds to visit while adding layers of texture beneath the display. Morning sunlight catches the weathered timber and colorful blooms, creating beautiful contrasts that enhance the handcrafted character of the entire feature. Together, the reclaimed wood posts and charming birdhouses create a lively backyard centerpiece, inspired by nature, craftsmanship, and peaceful outdoor living. A compact potting corner built from reclaimed wooden shelves transforms an unused backyard space into an organized and beautifully styled gardening station. Weathered boards display terracotta pots, galvanized watering cans, vintage hand tools, woven baskets, seed trays, and freshly planted herbs, creating layers of rustic texture and practical storage. Climbing ivy, flowering annuals, and small decorative accents soften the shelving while adding vibrant color that blends naturally into the surrounding landscape. Sunlight reveals the rich grain of the reclaimed timber, while highlighting the warm tones of clay pots and flourishing greenery arranged across every shelf. Together, the reclaimed wood shelving and carefully curated gardening accessories create a charming workspace that reflects creativity, sustainability, and the timeless appeal of rustic backyard living.